Want to log in to GetResponse fast without running into any issues? You're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the login process, troubleshoot common problems, and at the end, share an exclusive extended free trial to GetResponse. Plus, I'll also show you some better alternatives for email marketing and automation that you might want to consider. Let's jump in. First, go to getresponse.com and click Login at the top right. Enter your email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter your verification code. Done? You should now have access to your dashboard. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password, enter your email, and follow the instructions in your inbox. If you don't get an email, check your spam folder or wait a few minutes. If you're having trouble logging in, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. Sometimes ad blockers or VPNs can interfere, so try disabling them. Now, if your account is locked, it might be due to security reasons or inactivity. In that case, you'll need to contact GetResponse support. They're usually quick, but it can take some time, so be patient. That's the login process, but before you go, there's something important you should know. GetResponse is great for email marketing, but if you're looking for a more powerful automation tool with better features for scaling, there are better options. We secured an exclusive extended free trial for GetResponse through our link below, so you get the best possible deal. But if you want more flexibility, we also included better alternatives that give you more advanced automation, better deliverability, and extra features, all with free trials. Check out the links in the description, and let me know in the comments which platform you're using. Thanks for watching!